Even before the official unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, rumors circulated about a slimmer, more upmarket version set to be released in the autumn. Initially branded the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, this variation promised a more streamlined design than the normal version. Since then, Google and Honor have both unveiled foldable handsets with a slimmer profile than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the yet-to-be-released version. This has prompted LED Samsung to reconsider the name of its next flagship foldable. According to current rumor, it will be labeled as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, a term that may be more appropriate than the original Slim. The label Slim would have been deceptive since the device falls short of the expectation of being extremely thin, risking mocking from rivals. In fact, Honor has already poked fun at Samsung's newest foldable with a clever comment intended at the Galaxy Z Fold 6. For similar reasons, the special edition may not be very unusual, it might just reflect the version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that Samsung should have released from the start. Until recently, the information was primarily based on hearsay and leaks, with no actual verification of the device's existence. However, things are beginning to change, with a rumored render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 appearing online. Android News has unveiled a photograph that seems to represent the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. At first sight, it seems like the same old 6, but a closer look shows a much slimmer shape. When folded, the device is said to be just 10.6mm thick, making it much smaller than the 12.1mm Galaxy Z Fold 6. While this is amazing, it falls short of the 10.5mm Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the 9.2mm Honor Magic V3. The main design is based on Samsung's flagship foldable, but with the required tweaks to compete with other popular foldable smartphones. The picture suggests that the special foldable has a brushed metal back, however the rear glass looks to have a metal-like texture instead. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.